In this week's episode, we set off in search of crystal clear blue water before diving down onto the propeller to check out a suspected foul prop. We also popped to the top of the mast this week before diving into that crystal clear water in search of the ever elusive lobster dinner.
I love the fact that they've gone wireless.
There we go.
You've got this ancient bill.
Thank you for your donation.
Amazing. Look at that. Alright, I think we've possibly just found, am I right in saying, one of our favourite walks on the islands?
Absolutely, yeah, it's lovely.
A lot of the walks on the islands are like way out in the open, which is great, you know, they're lovely as well. But when it's 35 degrees, there's something about just being able to walk in a little bit of shade that breaks it up, and it's nice for Hank too. But yeah, this whole little trail here around the north side of St Mary's has got a real kind of almost tropical vibe about it. Very cool.
Hank does love a bit of woodland as well.
Yeah. Maybe if you were going to have a beach barbecue, we were always scratching our heads like, where would you even get the firewood from? Maybe,
found the spot.
Yeah, maybe around here somewhere, who knows. Very cool. Very quick hop, skip and a jump over the Tresco, but looks like a few boats have got the same idea as us. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 so far in the unofficial anchorage. About to be 5.
So we're heading in between these bits here, which will all dry out. So we need to find a spot that avoids those undercurrent boats. Or maybe even just between these two boats, we could drop the anchor.
Yeah.
Oh wow, the water over the side looks incredible. I think me and Dominic are going to have to dive in and take a look. Look at this. It's so clear. We're going to get the wetsuits on and jump in.
Thought we'd show Carly I am actually capable of putting some food on the table. But it needs to be, so we've just double checked online, 87 centimetres. 87?
87 from the back of the eyes to here.
8.7, sorry, 87 millimetres. 87 centimetres would be like, that'd be like a dinosaur. Anyway, look, let's not do it. So from the back of the eyes.
Back of the eyes.
To the end here.
Yeah.
So that is, back of the, so that is 90. All right. So that is legal size to keep. It was quite a fight. I don't know. I can't tell if it's a boy or a girl.
Has it been snipped on its tail?
No, there's no snips or anything in it. I'm going to dispatch he or her off camera, and we're going to eat a lobster. We're dining on lobster. Yes.
Whilst Dominic dispatches a lobster, I'm going to interrupt and thank a few people because we have a lot of thanks to give again. So firstly to our Rum Button supporters, who are Simon Barnes, Brian Mulligan, Alistair Cope and Matt Peake. Thank you so very, very much. And yes, we will keep doing our pub reconnaissance for you. And also to our new patrons who have joined the crew. I hope I'm saying this right. It's Guido and Cindy, Phil Abbott, Martin Cox and Melissa and Martin. Thank you all so very, very much. But let's get back to cooking up some lobster and eating a feast.
Flynn Solar is sticking some juice in. Oh, this place is just so good. We'd love to get the drone up and show you guys just how unbelievable this place is, but it's all a no-fly zone. There's a lot of air traffic here, so Carly is going to brave the top of the mast just for you and give you a little bird's eye view of just how tranquil this. Oh my god, there's like a million fish underneath the boat. It looks Bahamian. You've got these beautiful sandy patches. There's only like 2 meters underneath the boat at low water. The whole thing feels Bahamian. It's awesome, and yet, you know, we have all the amenities of home just over there and then. It's late afternoon now, and the fog still hasn't lifted off of the islands. It looks really kind of mystical. But this camera, well not this camera, but this lens won't pick it up. Anyway, for my birthday, Carly's just bought me a 75 to 300mm lens. So let's get some serious zoom action in, and I can show you what this looks like from this vantage point. Because up close you can't see it because it doesn't look foggy. You see? This is up close, no fog. But it definitely is oddly misty. It's got this kind of, got this magical, enchanted kind of, yeah. It's a strange day. What we're going to do is have a little bit of garlic and onion butter, and we're going to cook the lobster in that, and we're just going to crack the claws open now to make sure all that juicy goodness, all that flavour gets in there. Excited. Look at that. That is nice hard shell. Just the rest of the bits we've got on the boat, we're just knocking up some delicious fresh lobster sandwiches, and this bread looks amazing. Now I appreciate that some of you watching this may be suspicious of the fact that we foraged this, but believe it or not, we did. This is baked, this is freshly baked on the Isles of Scilly, and this is from Mike Benny Butchers, which was closed today. And as we passed Mike Benny's Butchers on our foraging journey, there just happened to be a few loaves of bread outside, which apparently you could take for free. If you guys are ever at a loss on a Sunday, sort of mid-morning, and you happen to be strolling past the Butchers, you may just find yourself a loaf of bread too. that. Oh, so good. Not for you, mate. Not for you.
Oh.
I think we're going to tuck into this and enjoy this, just so you can check out the first bites.
Oh, they're watching the first bite. Okay.
You have to watch the first. They've been on the journey with us. They've been on the journey with us. Can't miss the first bite. I'm excited. All right, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this very quick excursion to the Scillies and our little adventure. And yeah, there's more coves, there's more anchorages, more places that we haven't been yet. And when we go, you'll come in with us. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, hit the share, hit the like, hit the super like, hit all the buttons. And most importantly, just all the buttons. I've covered all my bases. But most importantly, jump in, say hello, and yeah, if you've got anything that you think we ought to know as a community, share your thoughts in the comments. Bye for now.
Oh my god.
Good?
Oh my god.